In Ayurvedic medicine, we apply two basic principles: like increases like, and the opposite balances. How we apply those principles is that when we're looking at the world through the lens of Ayurveda, we're looking at the world through qualities or characteristics. And we want to understand that each quality has an opposite quality. For instance, hot and cold. And then there's a spectrum that exists between those two. When we start to assess ourselves through the lens of Ayurveda, then we're starting to check in with signs and symptoms that our body and or our mind are giving us. For instance, if we feel like we are easy to be quick-tempered, or we feel like we overheat very quickly, might be an indication that there's an excessive amount of the hot quality in us. Then what we want to do is a couple of things using those principles. One, we want to make sure that we're not adding more of that particular quality into our life through diet, lifestyle, even maybe supplements or herbs that we're taking. The second thing is we want to make sure that we're using the opposite quality in the same approach through diet, lifestyle, herbs, remedies that we can do, practices that help to regain balance in the body and in the mind.